Hi guys, it's Mikey here again, and I just wanted to come back and make part 2 of the box finishing. I'm getting some feedback online, and saying that the burnishing was just a little bit too much with the blowtorch. So what Mikey's gone and done now is gone and get a heat gun, and he's very good for starting married joint. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how it brings up the patina on this beautiful timber. See, I've got a scrap piece here that I've done a test on, and I'm not going to show you how it's going to come out. I'm going to do it in front of your eyes. So I'm going to turn it on now, and here comes Mikey, and first of all I'm going to get a bit of a heat on there, and takes a little bit to warm up and come out right, but yeah, I hope it comes out alright, guys. Yeah, here it comes, and yeah, maybe a bit more heat. Yeah, there it is. It's starting to come through now. Strange. What is this? What? Anyway, those Aussie bastard boomers have been taking it out on me, saying that my work. Oh Jesus! What the hell's going on here? Anyway, I'll finish the job anyway. Yeah. Gotta finish that damn dog off, and what's going on here, man? I might have to take my Ducati out for a bit. And anyway, this is how you do the finished patina. And Jesus, what the? Anyway, that didn't turn out any good. Looks like Mikey will have to use the heat on it then and get rid of that. And it's only out there. See, let's get rid of it now. And a little bit inside there, and yeah, that's let go. Mikey's box there. And, looking good, boys. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, fuck it. Mikey must have used a little bit too much nitro polish on it. Fuck, I think I'm not feeling well, boys. Scooter, I'm coming, man. I'm coming, Scooter.
Hi, guys. It's ArchieLuxury. Guys, I want to talk to you about David SW. David SW, David SW. Guys, if you are in America, if you are looking for a Rolex watch of your dreams, in fact, if you're looking for a contemporary modern wristwatch, I strongly advise you to look at David SW. Guys, don't play the dealer games. Don't bring in chocolates or Krispy Kremes for your dealer hoping to get a Rolex at retail. It's futile. Please, guys, save your dignity. Keep some pride. Go to David SW. I would highly recommend David SW, David SW. If you're in America and you're looking for a watch, go to David SW, David SW, David SW. Hi guys, ArchieLuxury, and today guys, I'm very proud to introduce a new sponsor of the ArchieLuxury and the Paul Pluta channels. Who am I talking about? Watchshopping.com, watchshopping.com, watchshopping.com. Check them out, guys. Jump online, check out watchshopping.com. These guys here have been in business since 2017. Worldwide shipping and distribution. Over 10,000 wristwatches in inventory. Stock in hand, and 90 plus different brands, new and pre-owned. Now, the good thing about watchshopping.com, trusted by over 4,000 reviews on Chrono24 and Trustpilot. Your one-stop shop to buy any watch your heart desires. Please, guys, check out watchshopping.com, watchshopping.com, watchshopping.com. I'm ArchieLuxury, and check out watchshopping.com. Hey guys, ArchieLuxury on the YouTube sensation, the Paul Pluta channel. Guys, I need you to help me out, guys. I can't survive on Google Ads alone. I need you to request a paid review. $50 US, look down in the description. $50 US, I will review your collection. I'll tell you what I think of it, and I'll give you some pointers. The other thing is, guys, you can sponsor me on Patreon. Patreon allows you to pay a couple bucks a month, $1, $2, $5, whatever you want, and it keeps me going on YouTube because, guys, I'm in a niche. Nobody can make money out of the views I get. The views are crap because it's a small specialized area, and I don't talk about garbage for the sake of views. Guys, sponsor me on Patreon. Look down below, and I will see you in the next one.